Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sell books on eBay, how to find the books, and how to optimize the title so you get the traffic. I'm Nahar, your host. I'm also CEO and founder of Zik Analytics, and I'm going to show you how I use data to validate the books I want to sell and make sure they have enough demand and enough competition. And once we found the book that we want to sell, how we optimize the title so we are able to rank this book to the top of the search result. Now, there are different starting points. Some of you have already a lot of books in your home and you want to sell those books. Others going to different stores like $1 stores or thrifting stores and looking for books they can buy and sell on eBay. And then there are the others who are working on wholesale method where they buy in stock and then they sell those books. So I'll try to address all these starting points. It's not going to be easy, but I'll try to make it as versatile as possible. So if you're ready, sit down, relax, and let's get started. You probably noticed that I'm sharing my screen here with you and I'm showing some interesting stats, right? What I did was to search the keyword book on the product research tool of Zik Analytics and to see the results. So before we dive into the methods and how we actually use it and how we actually research the books that we want to sell and make sure they have the right demand and competition, I just want to show you the general stats of books and hardcovers. I've prepared two results. So I've searched book here. As you can see, we have $71,000 in sales in the last 30 days, 2,436 sold books from the top 100 active listings. So we're considering in these stats the top of the search result, the first page of eBay, and this is a lot of revenue and a lot of transactions for 100 active listings only. We're talking about search result with 69% successful listings. Just to give you the understanding, what does it mean? It means that out of 100 active listings, we have at least 69 that sold at least one product, which the top one, selling this book, for $15 and sold it 348 times in the last 30 days and 9,967 times. So when we are running search on the product research tool, we can get the full picture. We can see what are the best-selling books. We can see the statistics, the success rate, the demand level, and we can decide if this is a good niche for us or not. Now, we can get a picture here about this niche, the book niche. Only from this keyword, we're talking about $71,000. And this is also showing us that there is a lot of potential here, right? But there are many books and there are different types of books. And you also don't always get the books that you really want. You go to the shop, you go to the thrifting store, and you see a book, and this is what you have, right? And you have to make sure if it sells or not. So the power of Zik is to give you this insight, is to mine the data for you and help you make this decision so you can make data-driven decision, which will result in sales, in increase in sales, in increase in profit. So I did the same search on the keyword hardcover because some people do not use book in their title or in their item specifics, but hardcover is another way to use when you sell books and you want to make sure people understand it says hardcover. So when I just searched for hardcover, the statistics got a bit lower, but still $18,000 in sales, 45% success rate, 680 sold books. So also under the keyword hardcover, we can see that there is a lot of demand. So when we're taking these two keywords together, we see $71,000 and $18,000, almost $19,000. So now I'm going to jump into the presentation, into the demonstration, because I'm not going to use PowerPoint, but I'm going to share my screen, as you can see, and show you how do we actually do the whole process, right? So as I said, it really depends what is your starting point. So let's say you now go inside a shop, go inside a thrifting store, or inside a $1 shop, or you have books in your home and you want to check what is the demand for this book. So what you will do, you will either use your computer or mobile app. Zik Analytics also have a mobile app. You will open Zik Analytics and you will open the product research. The product research tool is the tools that analyze eBay search results right now. It gives you the most current data points and helps you make the decisions whether this product have demand in the last 30 days or not. So let's say you're from the United States, you're shipping the products from the United States, so you will put shipping location in the United States, eBay site, it will be ebay.com. And now you have in your house A Dracula book. Have you heard you can win 1 month subscription for Zik Analytics for free? First, like this video. Second, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified for new videos we post. And third, share with us your biggest why. Why are you doing this business? What are your dream goals that you want to achieve with succeeding on eBay? Every week we give away for free 1 month subscriptions to Zik Analytics. That means you can win as well. So what you will want to do is to go to the search bar here inside the product research tool and write Dracula book. Very simple. If you know the name of the specific book, or there is a specific, I don't know, if it's a series or book and you have a specific number or specific book from the series, you can just write it directly here and click the search button. What Zik is doing right now is pulling the eBay best match result from the keyword Dracula book, and it will display us the statistics in a way that we can actually make a decision. Now, I'm inside a shop, right? I'm looking in the books and I see, oh, there is Dracula book here. I put the keywords Dracula book into the product research tool and immediately I get the statistics that I need. I can see that there is 100 active listings on page 1. Only 9% are successful. The average product price is $24. But this specific book, only one book, generated $1,000 sales from 37 transactions. So overall, seems that demand is there. Now the question, if you can buy this book cheap enough so you can sell it on eBay and include the shipping and the fees, you will still make profit and have a competitive price. So for this, you scroll down and you want to see who is my competitors. So we can see that the first book here is Dracula by Bram Stoker's and Frankenstein by Mary Shelley Soft. 2 books together, Dracula and Frankenstein, selling for $39, sold 15 times in the last 30 days and 103 times lifetime. The second book, it's Dracula book again, PU leather cover edition, sold for $18, sold 5 times in the last 30 days, 79 time lifetime. The third one is another Dracula book, selling for $23. Again, sold 5 times. Now your job is to make sure you can get the book for a lower price enough so you can make profit when you're selling it on eBay. So let's say if you can buy this book for $1 or $2 and you can sell it on eBay for $18 or for $15, include the shipping, you will already be able to make a lot of profit, right? Because you just bought it for $1 or $2. Now, how many of you knows when you go to thrifting stores or dollar stores, you find this kind of products secondhand though, but you find them for very, very low price. Now, when you have this data, you can take smart decision on the spot and not gamble away your financial freedom, because eventually eBay, it's all games of numbers and games of making the right decisions. If you will list products that have high demand and low competition, and you will make sure to have competitive price and optimized title, you win the game. As simple as it sounds. But if you just go and randomly bring products and list to your store and you don't check them before and you don't use data to make better decisions, then you're gambling your financial freedom away. You may succeed, but you may not. But if you have the tools and you have the data right now here, why to gamble? Why to gamble if you can take decision based on data? Now, I showed you how to validate product ideas, what to do when you see a book that you want to sell, and how to decide if it's worth selling it or not. I will just add that, okay, let's say you have this Dracula book, you just have to make sure you have competitive price, and I wouldn't look on the first one. So if the first one here is selling for $39 and it's a double one, like it's the Dracula and the Frankenstein together, it has a unique selling proposition, unique selling angle. So if you can create another bundle like this with 2 relevant books together, amazing. You will be able to rank higher and to get higher conversions because you bring something unique to the market. And let's say you just try to sell the book, then I will usually look on the top 3-4s here. I'll try to look on the guy with the low amount of feedbacks. This guy has 611 feedbacks. On the other hand, I'll try to make sure that I'm not trying to compete someone with too low price. You know, if this is low price, I don't want to compete with him. So I'll try to figure out and say, okay, who are my competitors who is most vulnerable? So I can have better shipping than him, better title than him, better price than him. And then I will just open him. For instance, let's say we want to compete with this guy. I'll just open him and I'll just analyze through his listings and try to have better title, better pricing, better shipping, and try to see if I can even make better description. And if I'm able to do it, then I can win the game, okay? But price has a big factor today on eBay. So try to first of all have a better price if possible. If you are slightly higher, it's also fine. If you are much higher, I wouldn't buy it. It's waste of buying it, okay? So this is your work, is to just validate the last parts. After you got a confirmation that there is enough demand, that you can actually sell this product for a price that will bring you profit and still be competitive, you got your product. If you do this research and you get another product, you get results which not good, product have no demand, or you can't sell this product for a competitive price, don't buy this book. Move to the next book, okay? Now, after you found the book, you want to know how to optimize your title, right? So let's say this is the book that we want to sell, is the Dracula book. So I'll go here and I'll open here the title builder, okay? Just click here on the title builder and it will open up here. I'll make sure I'm on location United States, 30 days sales date range, and marketplace eBay. And I'll just write the same thing here. So I'll just write it, Dracula book. Again, same search. I'll hit the search button. And now what the title builder is doing is pulling the data from eBay, the same way of the eBay best match result, like the product research, but it's going to break down the titles of our competitors and break it down to two groups. The left group is the long tail keyword ideas. This is what actually people searching for. You have to understand, people not just writing Dracula and hoping to find book. They write for specific things like the Dracula exclusive edition, the Dracula by Bram Stoker, etc., etc., etc. And you can see the amount of safe searches, average searches, the competition, how many people use this keyword in their competition. So this Dracula by Bram have 27 competitors using it in their title and 33 sales. Dracula and Other, or Dracula Deluxe Edition, have only one competitor, okay? A new book or Knickerbocker Classics have only one competitor. So you of course need to do the research and look. And other things you have to do here is look into the generic keywords and see, maybe you can just fill the keywords to the title. What I personally like to do is I like to look on my competitor, for instance this one, copy the title. So I just copy the title like this. I'll put it here and I will remove all the unnecessary keyword first. So it's flexi bound. This is about the cover. If you have a new one, you leave it brand new. If not, not. But basically these are the keyword, right? These are the keywords that are relevant. Now let's say you don't have a brand new one. So we have to do like Dracula by Bram Stoker. And then we can say this is the deluxe edition or not. Is a leather cover. There is anything else I can add here, like a collectible, like a hardcover, etc., etc. And then you start to build it on top of it, but you don't change the root. You don't change what sells most, okay? So I'll start to add here like deluxe edition. Let's say we found the deluxe edition. So I just put the deluxe edition here, deluxe edition, as you can see. Then let's say I have the leather cover. So I'll put the leather and then I'll put the keyword cover. This is how I do it. And then I want to add another things. I can go through it and see. Okay. But sometimes, even though you have 80 characters and you can fill the whole title, it's just good to be clean and accurate. Dracula by Bram Stoker, deluxe edition, leather cover. You can add brand new if it's brand new. You can add used if it's used. That's it. You have your title. Now, why you don't want to change the root of the title? Very simple, because you know this title generates sales and traffic, right? So you just want to have a better title. You don't want to change, you want to have a better, you want to upgrade the title. So guys, this is how you use Zik Analytics to do the research, to validate books that you see, make sure they have the right demand, make sure you can have a competitive price, and how you optimize your title. We have another feature here that you can use, is the category research tool. So the category research tool basically help you to analyze the whole category. So you can come here and say, you know what, I want to analyze the books category, and you go and you click search, or you can go for specific. So inside the books category, you can go to catalogs, children and youngs and adults, wholesale bulk lots, let's say, for instance. So we search for wholesales and bulk lots inside a category and we get the right result. Zik have plenty of tools you can use that I haven't showed in this video. If you want to learn more about Zik Analytics, you can just follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, see more videos about how to use Zik. You can analyze your competitors, or for instance, if you say, okay, this is an interesting competitor for my niche and I want to see what other books he sells, you can click the scan seller button and you will come across the competitor stats from his seller revenue, sales earning, active listings, sell-through rate, and his best-selling items, best-selling books here. And then, of course, you can get product ideas for your competitors. You can do a lot of things by observing your competitors. We also have the category research tool where you can analyze the whole category, whole books category, and actually see more broad results and lifetime data. And many more things that you can discover, but I'll not go through it because I don't want to make this video too long. You're more than welcome to join our Facebook community, to subscribe to the channel, and to ask any questions you want on this video. I'll myself answer your questions. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.